Hello children, welcome to your 6th standard mathematics class. Today we are at the fun fair. Here we are having a pav bhaji stall by Pranav and a bhel puri stall by Sarita. Before starting the stall, Pranav and Sarita had to do a lot of shopping. Pranav bought vegetables, butter, bread, masala and other things, and Sarita bought plates, spoons, chutney, puffed rice, onions, and other things required for making the stall. Now, can you tell me how much Pranav spent for all his shopping? Yes, he spent 174 rupees. The amount Pranav gained after the sale is rupees 160. Now, can you tell me how much Sarita spent for the shopping? Yes, she spent 190 rupees. And in the sale, she gained rupees 230 rupees. Now, if you look at Pranav's face, he is looking disappointed. And Sarita is looking very happy. Pranav is looking disappointed because he made a loss in the sale. And Sarita is looking very happy because she made a profit. Now, what is meant by profit or loss? Let's learn about profit and loss in our lesson number 13. Before learning what is meant by profit or loss, let's learn what is meant by cost price and selling price. The money paid by the shopkeeper to the manufacturer or the wholesaler to buy the goods is called the cost price of the goods purchased by the shopkeeper. So when the shopkeeper gets things from the wholesaler, the amount that the shopkeeper had paid to the wholesaler is what is called his cost price. The amount that a customer pays to buy a product is called a selling price. So when the customer buys the product from the shopkeeper, that amount is called as the selling price of that product. If the selling price is more than the amount paid for it, there is a gain. It is called a profit. So SP, that is selling price, is greater than CP, the cost price, then there is a profit. Now how will you calculate the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus the cost price. Sometimes an article is sold for less than the amount paid for it while buying. The damage in this case is called a loss. So if selling price is less than cost price, then there is a loss. And loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now let us see a few sums based on profit and loss.
Let's see the first question of practice set 31. The cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was a profit or a loss and how much it was. Let's take the first example. Cost price is 4,500 rupees. The selling price is 5,000 rupees. Here the selling price is more than the cost price. So there is a profit. Selling price is more than cost price. Therefore there is a profit. The profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 5,000 minus 4,500. Therefore profit is rupees 500. Let's see the fourth example. The cost price is rupees 1,000. The selling price is rupees 920. Now in this case the cost price is more than the selling price. Therefore there is a loss. The cost price is more than the selling price. Therefore there is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is 1,000 minus 920. Therefore loss is equal to rupees 80. So when the cost price is more than the selling price, there is a loss. And loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Please complete the remaining questions using the same method. Now let's see question number 2 of practice set 31. The question is, a shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3000 and sold the same for rupees 3400. How much was his profit? Here the cost price is given and the selling price is given. We have to calculate the profit. The cost price of bicycle is rupees 3000. The selling price of bicycle is rupees 3400. Here the selling price is more than the cost price, so the shopkeeper has made a profit. So how will you calculate the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus the cost price. That is 3400 minus 3000. 3400 minus 3000 is 400. So the profit is rupees 400. So your final answer is the shopkeeper's profit is rupees 400. Now let's see the third question. Sunanda Bai bought milk for rupees 475. She converted it into yogurt and sold it for rupees 700. How much profit did she make? Here the cost price of the milk is 475 and the selling price of the yogurt is rupees 700. So the selling price is more than the cost price. So she made a profit. So let's see how much profit she made. The cost price of the milk is rupees 475. The selling price of the yogurt which she made from the milk is rupees 700. We know profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 700 minus 475. 700 minus 475 is 225. So the profit is rupees 225. So your final answer is Sunanda Bai made a profit of rupees 225.
Please practice the sums done in the video. Thank you and have a nice day.